started as a single tear of rain, then all at once it came down. I felt it in the quiet before you left this town. Walking out slow, puddles forming where you went. I was standing still in the shape of your regret, and I didn't see it coming. I thought we were enough, just another passing moment. Not the flood, not us. I ran into your neon rain. Let it fall, let it stay. Every drop felt like your name, echoing away. Yeah, I let it pull me under, didn't try to rise above. Now I'm caught inside the color of the downpour of your love. I'd seen storms before, but they never hit like you. City lights reflecting in 1,000 broken views. Sidewalk shining, every ripple pulling through. Every little shimmer felt like something I once knew. And I tried to hold the feeling like it wouldn't disappear, but it slipped between the raindrops and dissolved into the air. I ran into your neon rain. Let it fall, let it stay. Every drop felt like your name, echoing away. Yeah, I let it pull me under, didn't try to rise above. Now I'm caught inside the color of the downpour of your love. Soaking, drifting, I don't know where I end. Washing over every piece I couldn't defend. No shelter, no escape, just your shadow in the glow. And I do it all again, just to feel it once more. I ran into your neon rain. Let it fall, let it stay. Now the silence says your name, but you fade.